To use your Dyson Airwrap to curl your hair, start with damp, towel-dried hair. Insert the 1.2-inch barrel into your Airwrap. Then, set your device to high heat and high airflow. Curl a small section of your hair and hold for 15 seconds, or until your hair feels dry to the touch. Then, push the cold shot button on your Airwrap for 5 to 10 seconds, which will set the curl. Turn off the Airwrap, then release the curl. Continue curling small sections of your hair. To use your Airwrap to straighten your hair, start with damp, towel-dried hair. Tie the top section of your hair up so it's out of the way. Then, attach the soft smoothing brush to your Airwrap. Turn on the device and run the brush through the bottom section of your hair from root to tip, repeating until dry. Use the cold shot for 5 to 10 seconds to set your style. Untie the top of your hair and repeat the process.